Hey guys, JD Nells here and the old guy, and we are trying to figure out on 2006 Dodge. Is that Dodge or is it Chrysler? Dodge Caravan. What are we trying to check? Check if
We check the power for sliding door. Check the open
electrical
and lock.
issues. So we want to discover if we have an electrical issue or is it just a mechanical and the lock is not locking and unlocking. So
Just a minute. You see? Work.
covering it with your finger.
That's unlocked, yeah?
That's unlock, yeah.
Yes. Now put the locked. You see? We put on the first wire is in a locked. Second is wire is ground. Third wire is security. The last wire is unlocked. Check again.
So we want to lock.
We first put the locked. And the first is locked. And the last is unlocked. Yes. And this is we put the security. You see, blending the fourth.
Yeah, 4 ways there wrong.
Yes. That's it. We check. That's
So now we know that
we know
the lock
that's
is not good, but there's electricity going
electricity is okay.
through. Or not electricity, the
Not
power
you-
is going through.
power,
but,
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need to change the
Change the locked.
locks,
Locked complete.
which is awesome.
See that? Really?
Oh, hold on.
Box inside. Go inside.
Hold on.
So that you need to put clips up. Put this, you take.
Okay.
You take the
Now I need to have a clip.
clips. Take this. That's it.
Okay.
You check again.
So need to turn around. Actually, you're good.
Again, that's white. That's for ground.
So you just put a little exposed wire,
Yes, wire.
naked ground wire. So you can put it, actually not a naked
Yes,
ground.
you put inside. Put this.
It's for a test light.
That's for unlocked.
Alright, so as you can tell right here, unlock.
See? Work. And
Alright.
we put last is for locked. And work light. And that's security. That's everything works.
Yeah.
So light is okay. That's problem on door.
But can they die both in the same time? Both.
Both. Both. Maybe this problem with lock is no problem. This door have problem.
Yes, this video is gonna be the whole thing, how to replace side door.
You take the panel.
I just wanted to show for how to test electrical system.
You need a little bit close the door.
Okay.
You will close. You have one bolt to this. See, take that. Yes. have clips. A little bit this. That's it.
Alright, that's not the best angle.
You see, panel is down.
Except I didn't see anything.
Panel is down.
Alright.
Come on again.
So let's just put this on the side and just kind of show you it's this green clips. So you got on the corner, one right here, a couple there. Just kind of go around, take everything out.
Like that.
Okay.
Take the plastic. You see there is a locked. That's locked.
It's not locked, it's lock.
Lock. Yes.
So you got one connector.
Yeah, that's cool. One connector. One on top. With
So the two altogether.
yes, yes. Now we go another side to take the bolt from. Move the this. Yeah, this. Can talk to that.
And the whole thing, we got a little bit scared right now because the safety switch for kids locks or whatever the thing is engaged. It's not working.
Who knows?
See that little lever over there? If it's pulled towards the vehicle, I mean, this child's safety lock is on. Ugh. So there's
You see? There's door outside. That's another cable.
This is very awkward to record. It's just taking the whole thing out, all the clips and everything. And I would always suggest, if you're gonna change both of them, don't take apart both sides. Do one side first and then do the other side, just in case you forget what goes where. You got another side to compare exactly where it goes.
Let's just open the first cable. And two cables. Looks like somebody.
Yeah.
You see that's blue and white. The first is white, blue in second. It's a original factory marker. That's original factory marker. That's it. we take complete lock. That's for sure. That's it. We need to change. After we bring for another car and we check working mode. That's it.
So do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah.
Alright, so let me see. That's the old one. This is the new one that we just took out of the backyard from. And we just connected it and look. It works. Alright. So first this side and then the next side. So just putting it back.
Yeah.
Alright.
Kako su skinuli, tako.
Well, you know. Alrighty, so just to show you, right now locked, open, unlock. Alright, so what we need to do is do the same thing on that side and problems fixed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button down there. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers so we can bring you in more and more videos. A lot more. Alright, thanks.